Hello friends, welcome to Bootstrap 5 video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials, we understood what is Bootstrap, how to download Bootstrap, how to add Bootstrap to our website, Bootstrap text formatting related classes, Bootstrap text size related classes, Bootstrap text color related classes, Bootstrap background color related classes, Bootstrap heading related classes, Bootstrap text alignment related classes. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss Bootstrap text transform related classes. We understand how to convert the text into lowercase, uppercase, capitalize, etc. guys. You can see at the desktop we have my dash website folder. I open it. Inside my dash website folder we have default.html page. I right click on it, say open with the notepad. You can see that default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to Bootstrap demo. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with the Google Chrome. You can see that default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to Bootstrap demo. Let's understand Bootstrap text transform related classes one by one. First we have text-lowercase class. It is used to convert all uppercase characters into lowercase. For example, if I go to body section, I say here opening P and closing P. Inside that I put the text HTML is a structural language, full stop. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see HTML is a structural language displayed. I copy this paragraph and paste down. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see HTML is a structural language displayed. Now I want to display this text in lowercase. So all I need to do is I have to convert all the uppercase characters into lowercase. If I have to convert all the uppercase characters into lowercase, simply I use the class called as text-lowercase. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that this text is getting displayed in lowercase. What happened here? All the uppercase characters are actually converted into lowercase, right? Next we have text-uppercase class. It is used to convert all lowercase characters into uppercase. For example, if I take this paragraph and display here, file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see HTML is a structural language displayed. Now I want to display this text in uppercase. All I need to do is convert all the lowercase characters into uppercase, right? If I have to convert all the lowercase characters into uppercase, simply I am going to take help of the class called as text-uppercase. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see all the lowercase characters are converted into uppercase, right? So we can display the text in lowercase, we can display the text in uppercase. Next we have text-capitalize class. It is used to convert first character of all words into uppercase. It is used to convert first character of all words into uppercase. For example, if I take this paragraph and put down file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see HTML is a structural language display, right? Good. Now I want to convert the first character of every word into uppercase. For that, I take help of the class text-capitalize. If I say text-capitalize, check out what happens. File, save, go to browser and refresh. Every word's first character is converted into uppercase. That's what the text-capitalize does, guys. Next we have CSS font variant property. CSS font variant property is used to convert all lowercase characters into smaller uppercase characters. Font variant : small caps. What it does? It converts all lowercase characters into smaller uppercase characters. Check out what happens. If I copy this line of code and paste down, I say file, save, go to browser and refresh. HTML is a structural language displayed. Let me use the style attribute and use the CSS property font dash variant with the value small dash caps semicolon. If I save file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that all the lowercase characters are converted into smaller uppercase characters, right? That's it guys for this video tutorial. I hope you guys have clearly understood Bootstrap text transform related classes. I suggest you people to note down and try to remember all these things that we are discussing. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about Bootstrap 5. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.